Are you considering cosmetic surgery but worried about the cost? Meet Cherry Financial, your perfect partner for financing your dream transformation. Cherry Financial specializes in providing flexible financing solutions for elective procedures, including cosmetic surgery. With easy application processes and customer-friendly terms, Cherry Financial makes it simple to get the care that you deserve. Applying for financing with Cherry Financial is quick and easy, and here's how. Visit our website or the link in our bio and navigate to the Cherry Financial platform. Fill out the application and provide basic information to get started. You will get an instant approval and receive a decision in seconds. After that, you just have to schedule your consultation and use your approved financing to book your cosmetic procedure. Why should you choose Cherry Financial for your cosmetic surgery needs? Here are a few reasons. There is no hard credit check, flexible payment plans, high approval rates, low interest rates, no hidden fees, and a quick and easy application. Are you ready to take the next step towards the new you? Visit Cherry Financial today and see how easy it is to finance your cosmetic surgery.